Hello, my name is Mr. Penguin, and I'm here to show you my 319 final project for Lab 9. So this is Block Blast. If any of you guys have played this on mobile, you'll know this is basically similar to Tetris. You'll see what that means in a second. But before we start with the game, I would like to take a moment of appreciation for the hardware. This is a custom PCB with awesome silkscreen that I designed, and also a wood cut laser case from TIW at the ER. Okay, so now we have 3 pages. We have the play page, tutorial, and language. So we have, our game supports 2 languages, English and Spanish. You can see the tutorial, it can also be in Spanish, but I don't speak Spanish, so we're gonna go to English. So now you can see, this is a little bit about the basics of the game. The LED will correspond to which block you're hovering over. So if you're hovered over the first block, the first LED will light up and so forth. The up button over here can pick up a block, the down button will place a block, and the game will end when there are no more possible moves left. So I'll hit the back button to go back here. I can use the joystick to control where I am, so let's play the game. So right now you can see that I'm selecting the first block over here because the first LED is lit up. So now I can select this and I can move it around inside the grid. And then I can, once I find a spot that I like, I can press the down button to place the block. But let's say I accidentally selected this block and I wanted to start with this one. Well, no big issue. We can just unselect the block and then change to the first one, pick it up, and now we can move around this block. So you might ask, what happens if the player tries to put it over the block that's already there? Well, the game will reject your request and will only let you place it once it's in a valid position. So now I'm gonna just try to show you guys what happens when you clear a row. So right now, my high score was 16 for my last played attempt. Right now my points are 0. There's 8 blocks in each row. So once I clear this row, I get 8 points added. Basically, each block that you clear, you'll add to your points. And that's it for the game. Now I can show you guys what happens basically whenever the game fails and the player basically has no more valid attempts. That means the game is over for the player. So I'll just try my best to end the game as fast as possible now. Each wave of 3 blocks are randomly generated between all the possible squares and rectangles that you can make. So right now the game will freeze for 2 seconds once you have no more possible moves, and your game will be over. And this is your current score and your best score, and you can just hit the right button to play again. And that is Block Blast. Yay!